What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you how you can add a beneficiary to your NCB mobile app. So guys, this is very easy to do. Once you're in the app, you want to look for the menu icon. This may a little bit different for Android users, but look around on your screen and you should find it. So you want to select menu, select transfer, select add beneficiary. Here you'd specify the person's first name. Let's say MR Morrison. You're going to provide their NCB account number, right? And then you're going to provide a nickname. Now for the nickname, it's good that you append, for example, JMD to distinguish that it's a Jamaican dollar account, or if it's a US dollar account, then you add, so whenever you're making a transfer, you don't get confused. Then once you do that, select done. And here, all you need to do is just open your RSA token app, enter your RSA code, and then you hit submit, and that's it. So I don't actually want to add a recipient now, but you should get the general idea. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.